Hello guys and welcome again. This is the first video from my new series. It's Suggest a Movie. The movie which I suggest to you watch in this video is The Greatest Showman. The Greatest Showman is a dramatic and musical movie directed by exciting new filmmaker Gracey, with songs by Academy Awards winners Benj Pasek and Justin Paul, and starring Academy Award nominee Hugh Jackman. Jackman is joined by Zac Efron, Academy Award nominee Michelle Williams, Rebecca Ferguson and Zendaya. This movie is a story of American showman P.T. Barnum, founder of the circus that became the famous traveling Ringling Bros and Barnum and Bailey Circus. The majority of reviews said there are fun musical numbers and it's an enjoyable musical fantasy. So I wish to you a good streaming and don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell. Give me thumbs up if you liked my video and share it with your friends. Whereas your opinion in comments, and thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.